Cornell Notes. What do they look like? What does a paragraph look like? What does an outline look like? What does a poem look like? Every type of writing has a different look or form. Hi, we're back for the second video of a multiple video series on Cornell Notes. If you haven't watched the first video, Cornell Notes, Why Learn How, please go back and watch that because it's important to know the why of everything, especially when it comes to your time and energy. You should ask yourself, why am I learning this? Why am I spending my time on this? What's the point of me taking my time and my mental energy on Cornell Notes? How will it help me in the future? These are questions that are answered in video 1. In this video, we're not going to focus on the why, we're going to focus on what. That is to say, what Cornell Notes look like. This is going to be a very brief video that just shows the shapes and the form of Cornell Notes. The length of Cornell Notes vary. Cornell Notes can be 1 page, 2 pages, 3 pages long. It all depends on the length of the lecture, talk, or video you are listening to. For a 10-minute video, you will probably take approximately 2 pages of notes. Organization. Some people describe the shape or formatting of Cornell Notes as a lopsided letter I. Pages will be divided vertically. There will be 2 columns. The right-hand column will take up about 2/3 of the space. That's because on this side of the column, it's going to be where you first take your notes. You will include all details, examples, concepts, and information. The left-hand column will be smaller. It will only have about 1/3 of the space of the page. That's because less information will be held here. This will be the area for keywords, cues, and questions. At the top of the page, on the top of the columns, there will be space for the title or lecture content, the source or speaker, and date. On the last page of the notes, whether that's page 1, page 2, page 3, whatever the last page is, there will be a section at the bottom, a rectangular space that will house a summary of your Cornell Notes. In conclusion, this is the shape or form of Cornell Notes. In the next few videos, we'll talk at length about how to complete all the sections of Cornell Notes. One video will focus on how to fill out the right-hand column. Another video will talk about how to complete the left-hand column. We'll then learn how to write an effective summary of your Cornell Notes for this class. So get ready to learn the how-to in the next couple of videos where you will learn the different steps on how to take Cornell Notes effectively. Thank you.